2, 1. What's up, people? How you doing? I'm Alex. So Alex is back, and you know what is back? Money is back. The profit is back. Everything is back. And guess what we're gonna be doing today? What I'm planning to do right now, and not only now, but just for the day, is just to earn some amount of money. But before we go in there, what I'm gonna be doing, you know that for 100%, you know that from the previous videos. Telegram private group. The main important thing in every freaking video that I'm shooting, that I'm filming, you gotta be joining there. So link is gonna be below in the description. Do not forget to leave a like and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today we're having only $50, and with this amount of money, hopefully I'll be able to make some profit out of it. So let's just dive straight into that and let's see what we can do. Yeah, so let's go. Yeah, let's make our first bet. It's gonna be $25. We are currently approaching the support zone, and we are kind of in the oversold level or zone, and we kind of trying to quit it. So that's the main reason why I'm gonna go for long, and the entry point was really brilliant, honestly. So I'm gonna go with that. Fucked up. There we go. $23 of profit from the first bet. As well as we are, I do expect the candle breaking the midline of the Keltner. So I'll go for it. That's it. Oh my god. The entry point is great, but once I'm making the bet, just the candle goes up and breaking my expectations and my predictions and my assumptions, and like, I don't know. That's for me the waste of time, you know. $46 of the profit, I got it. You know, don't get me wrong, I'm not talking about overall waiting for something is a waste of time, but I like to take the things in control and I like to take the actions. But there are some cases when you just have to wait, and that's the worst part of the life, when you have to stay and be patient, because I'm not patient at all. Australian and United States dollars, I'm going to be having like $70 right here. The situation right here is a little bit opposite, because the price has tried, but it failed to break the midline of the Keltner Channel, so that's the main reason why I will go for long. As well as CCI shows the upside potential, and Parabolic SAR supports the upward movement. So we're gonna go with it. There we go. $64 of the profit. Easy. It's not good enough, it's easy. Going for long, of course. We are not in the overbought zone. We're just leaving the bounce back from the support amount to 100. Yeah, leaving that zone, going to test the midline. Even though if we do not break the midline, I don't really think that we're gonna be below the entry point of mine. Great, $92 of the profit. Let's make it 150 though. Yeah, let's make it 150. Let's go. And the entry point was not, I mean, the place, I believe I mentioned that in previous videos, that it is quite effective once you are betting for the long once the red candle is active, and the vice versa, you're betting for short once the green candle is active. I don't think we're losing it. We still have 27 seconds. Great. It was kind of if we lost it, I will go again, but increasing the amount. But that's good that we won that $138 of the profit for us. And we have a little bit of a space according to the CCI, so let me go 350 there. I believe we're gonna be I missed the entry point. All right, let's go with that. I believe we're gonna be testing or even maybe breaking the upper boundary of the Keltner Channel. So let's see. Nice. 300 of the profit. Right now, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm staying here. I'm going for a larger amount, and I'm going for short because as I said earlier, as I mentioned earlier, that we were having a little bit of space according to the CCI, and it was right decision and prediction. And right now we can see that we're trying to bounce back from the upper boundary because we can't be going higher owing to the fact that we are in overbought zone in that case. So I went for short. In the meantime, again, guys, do not forget to join my Telegram private group because I'm sharing the needed information. I'm not sharing any like some unnecessary things there. All the data that is located in the Telegram private group is very much important and is very much useful for your journey and for yourself. So do not forget to use and join it. The link is going to be below in the description. So join and like and second. There you go. Join, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I'm making $1,121 from only $50. I guess that's really great. Thank you for watching. It was a pleasure recording and having this type of trading session. Really, very much. Thank you. I appreciate your attention.